Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. Please like our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carolina Trailer Sales. We're trying to get over 1,000 viewers. All right, guys, so what I have is a 2016 Cimarron 8316. So that would be an 8 wide, 3 horse, 16-foot LQ. Outback is the conversion company. This is actually a lightly used trailer. It's been stored in a climate controlled building. It has been used 4 times. They are only selling it due to the fact they are buying a bus and a bumper pull. So I'm gonna kind of peruse around. This is a super nice trailer. Has a hydraulic slide. So that would be a hydraulic slide. Let me scoot under here. 2 propane tanks. It does have an onboard generator. So you've got 2 boxes under here with batteries. They have put brand new batteries on this trailer. So all new batteries, dual hydraulic jacks, spare. This trailer does have a stainless nose. All right, it does have full extrusion from the front to the back. That would be this metal, aluminum, excuse me, not metal, aluminum rippled area here on the bottom of the trailer. This trailer does have nice heavy drop down windows. I'm not going to drop them down right now. But nice heavy drop down windows, escape door, 2 manger boxes with storage, hay rack, not pod, hay rack, generator rack on the top, and the generator is on the top of the trailer. The ladder is an extend a ladder, and it is mounted on the back door. So I'm just gonna kind of come back around, show you the horse box. Here's where you actually feed the gas. Generator is here. This trailer still smells new. The interior looks to have not even been used. It still smells like a brand new horse box. So here's the saddle racks, blanket bar, bridle hooks, and this is a collapsible rear tack. It does fold completely if you take the saddle rack out and hook back to the wall there. All that wiring and hosing is for the generator. So again, this trailer is in excellent shape. It does have airflow dividers. It is fully lined and insulated. It does have a lower divider. It does have manger boxes on the inside for the horses. Roof vents, nice big LED lights. It does have drop windows on the rear. 3 drop rear windows. So I'm just gonna kind of come on in. Fully lined and insulated. We just washed this trailer. You'll see some water still in the trailer. Again, smells like the rubber mat. Smells like it's on a showroom floor. Immaculate trailer in immaculate shape. I'm not gonna spend so much time in the horse box. I am gonna obviously have pretty in-depth pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and come on around the rest of the trailer. Sun's kind of not in my favor today, guys. I apologize. So you can see the generator up there on the top. Hay rack. Give you a good look at the side of the trailer. It does have a large power awning with an LED light strip on the underneath side of it. Inside, outside speakers. Okay, again, guys, this is an Outback. This is an Outback Interior. Outback Customs. It's all hardwood. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. This would be the bar type layout. So it has the bar stools, and they're all decorated with the top of the, I can't even talk today. The top of the stools are the same decor as the rest of the trailer, and they're got the brass fittings around. All right, so this has a little bar here when you open the door and has a rear kitchen. Again, really pretty trailer. Really pretty trailer. All right, so this is a hide a bed. So this is a better sleeping arrangement than a fold-out couch, or what we call a jackknife couch. It's also better than a dinette. So for sleeping purposes, this is a much better way to sleep. It's a hide a bed. The cool thing about Outback is they kind of do storage everywhere. So this has a storage box in the back here, storage up above. This is a dual aisle layout. So you've got 2 sets of steps up to the bed. Again, all these cabinets they're all functional. They've left all the items in there for you. All work. They even put cabinets here, which I thought was really smart, here on both sides of the bed. So again, this is a dual aisle. 2 cabinets up in the nose. It does have a TV on this back wall. Soft touch walls, soft touch ceiling. Nice hat racks. Kind of scan around, give you an idea on the floor space. Great floor space if you've got dogs. This has got ample floor space for dogs, kids, multiple people in and out of the trailer. You can kind of have plenty of room to move around. So everything, again, I think I said that's soft touch on the walls. Soft touch on the ceiling, yes, I did. If you'll notice, it's got some decor lighting underneath the countertop here, and it also has the same lighting in the bathroom. Like I said, the finish work is on the Outback is really nice. So you got a microwave, 2-burner glass top stove, big fridge. Now, this is probably one of the coolest things. So this would be a rolling pantry. And there's 2, and they're pretty deep. So you've got plenty of room here for all the items that you need to take. All your food items will have plenty of room here. So just kind of a neat thing that they do. So the bathroom, if you'll see, it's got mood lighting as well. So it's changing colors. It's red, blue, green, purple. Nice counter space here, vanity and sink. Nice little copper sinks, both in the kitchen and in the bathroom. They did a really good job with the cabinetry in here for space. All of this is nice space for extra items, including the fact that it does have a nice size closet that has 2 bars. So if you have a lot of clothes that you take with you, there are full length bars for clothing doubled. So you got double bars in here, which makes it great. Table is also, fold up table is here. Walk through door. I'm gonna spin around. It does have the big dome shower. Skylight. Fantastic fan as well. So I'm just going to kind of step back out, try to give you a little bit more of an idea of this living quarters. This trailer looks new, guys. I really don't have any complaints about this trailer. I really can't get crazy and point out a bunch of things about this trailer. It's been well taken care of. I actually know the people that own this trailer. I'm selling it for them, and they take very good care of their things. So this trailer is in top-notch shape. They bought it new. So this would be a 1-owner trailer. All right, guys, I'm gonna step out. Give you one more look at the overall trailer. So okay, guys, 2016 8316 Cimarron Outback Interior. Excellent shape, 1 owner, does have an onboard generator, hay rack as well. Guys, have a great day.